Stress balls are so easy to make, and you probably have most of the materials on hand. You need flour, balloons, a funnel, a plastic bottle, black yarn, and a marker to make this super easy DIY. Flour works well for stress balls, but you can use corn flour or rice or even sand. I will be using 1 cup of flour for each. Begin by adding your flour to the plastic bottle. This is a neat trick to help you get the flour into the balloon. Once all the flour is in the bottle, blow up your balloon and carefully place it over the top of your plastic bottle. Turn the bottle upside down and gently squeeze. This will help push the flour into the balloon. Once all the flour is in the balloon, gently let the rest of the air out. Do this part slowly because you can accidentally push flour out and it can be very messy. Now, just tie a knot at the end. Use a black marker to decorate each ball and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.